We're in the dawn of AI. People are talking about generative AI and the benefits it brings, whether that's productivity, creativity, a new skill set, a way of working, future-proofing skills and organizations' competitive edge. So why are we not all using generative AI already in our organizations or our personal lives? Well, we know that people are interested and curious, but we also know that people are nervous and concerned around what this actually means. The latest LinkedIn Learning report, workplace report, talks about future skills and organizational agility being one of the most important things that we can work towards in the age and adoption of artificial intelligence. But what does that actually mean? Well, let's break it down. We need a number of skills that sit around the adoption of AI, which don't just sit in the technical space, such as prompt engineering. We need to understand how we can move at pace by putting down old skills and picking up new knowledge and skills and applying them in record time. We call that learning agility. We also need fundamental skills around digital literacy, an understanding of how data protection is used within AI, not sharing personal information or anything that you put on social media, understanding the organizational strategy around technology and how we move at pace to respond to the needs of our customers, clients, and our industry, as well as the people who are looking for careers within our sector. So as an L&D function, we've got to be ahead of the curve with our own mindset and skill set to understand what this means. And I was at World of Learning last year, and I remember the keynote speaker from Roche talking about and sharing a slide that said, we need to be 4 minutes ahead of our customers when it comes to AI. And that really struck me because what that says is we don't need to be technical experts. We don't need to be heads of machine learning or understand code or Java. But what we do need is to have that agile mindset, which is what the LinkedIn Learning Workplace report says, and also the latest World Economic Forum Future of Jobs report. And that's quite a big thing for people because people traditionally have accepted their power in their roles as resources and knowledge. That's what people traditionally have come to the L&D function for. But if the knowledge and resource is going to sit within the large language model for the organization that's trained on organizational data points, then what does that mean for the typical L&D function? It means that we need to facilitate the relationship between the machine intelligence and the human intelligence to create something that's far more exciting than how we currently work. And my examples with this is, wouldn't you just love to be able to automate the parts of your job that you don't like doing? I know I am certainly in that space where I'm starting to automate analysis of data, visualization of information. So it frees me up to be able to do more engagement and discussion and speaking with clients rather than getting my head down rabbit holes and trying to manipulate spreadsheets and information that isn't a natural skill set for me. So if we think about where the skill set of the future lies, we talk about clarity of expression, where we need to express to each other and to the machine relationship what we need to be productive and take our roles to the next level. We need to be able to partner with AI for more complex problem solving and stretch the grey matter when it comes to critical thinking. This is where the human intelligence will outstrip the artificial intelligence every single time. So if we're not thinking about these kind of skills now and for the next 3 years in our organizational skills analysis, this is absolutely where we need to be in HR, in talent, in leadership, and in learning and development. Definitely have a read of the latest LinkedIn report. We'll have the link in the comments from this video. Definitely have a look at the World Economic Forum stuff as well. Super interesting. If you want to know how to put this stuff into practice, go and have a look at my LinkedIn learning courses. Building a learning agility in your team is my first course, and help to build the skills that matter most in my team are the second course. So some really practical activities and interventions for you to access there as well. If you do need any further support, then please do get in touch. Thanks so much.